Hello and a warm welcome to the AI with Arun show. We have just witnessed history at Cisco Live 2025 in San Diego. Over 22,000 participants gathered to see Cisco unveil their vision for the AI ready future, and what will saw was fundamentally change how enterprises think about network infrastructure. Now, this just wasn't another tech conference. Cisco Live 2025 marked a pivotal moment where networking met artificial intelligence at unprecedented scale. The theme, AI ready infrastructure for the agentic era, signals Cisco's recognition that we are entering a new phase of computing where AI agents will autonomously perform complex tasks that require sophisticated, intelligent network infrastructure. Now, before we dive deep into the announcements, let me ask this. Have you considered what happens to your network when AI agents start making thousands of autonomous decisions per second? Now, in this video, we'll show you exactly why this matters and how Cisco is solving for it. So let's start with the scale and significance of this event, and then dive into the groundbreaking announcements that will reshape enterprise IT. 22,000 participants made this the largest Cisco Live to date. But numbers don't tell the whole story. The attendee mix, including CTOs, network architects, security leaders, and business executives, all of them united by one critical challenge: preparing their organizations for an AI driven future. The agentic era isn't just marketing speak. We are talking about a fundamental shift where AI agents, not just AI tools, become autonomous actors in business processes. These agents need to communicate, collaborate, and make decisions in real time. This requires network infrastructure that can understand context, predict needs, and adapt instantly. The event's focus on AI transformation reflects what we are seeing across industries. IDC predicts that by 2026, 75% of enterprise applications will incorporate AI capabilities. But here is the critical insight from Cisco Live. 97% of enterprises admit that the current network infrastructure is not ready for this transformation. Now, this readiness gap creates both urgency and opportunity. Let's examine Cisco's response through their major infra announcements. First, Unified Nexus Dashboard. The Unified Nexus Dashboard represents more than a consolidation, it's cognitive unification. By bringing together Nexus Dashboard, NXOS, and ECI fabrics under one management plane, Cisco is creating what they call a single brain for data center operations. This isn't just about reducing complexity, it's about enabling AI driven orchestration across heterogeneous environments. The second one is Life Protect Revolutionary Impact. The Life Protect fundamentally changes the security paradigm. Instead of the traditional 45-day patch cycle, which in today's threat landscape might as well be 45 years, organizations can deploy protective shields in minutes. This is powered by Cisco's AI models that can understand vulnerability patterns and create targeted protections without waiting for vendor patches. And the third one is AI Canvas, which deserves special attention as the first generative UI for IT operations. Think of it as the chat GPT for network management, but with 40 years of Cisco's networking expertise built in. IT teams can describe what they want to accomplish in natural language, and AI Canvas generates the configuration, the policies, and the orchestration workflows needed. Now, these are not incremental improvements. They represent a fundamental reimagining of how network infrastructure operates in an AI first world. Notice the availability dates: July and September 2025. So Cisco is moving fast because the market is demanding it. The Deep Network model represents Cisco's most ambitious AI project. Trained on 40 plus years of Cisco's networking expertise and over 40 million tokens of network intelligence, this model understands networking in ways that general purpose LLMs simply cannot. The 20% accuracy improvement over general LLMs might sound modest, but in networking, that difference means the gap between a system that works and one that fails catastrophically. Now let's look at agentic ops. Now, agentic ops is Cisco's term for operations managed by autonomous AI agents rather than reactive human intervention. These agents don't just monitor and alert, they understand context, they predict problems, and they take corrective action. Now imagine a network that heals itself, optimizes performance continuously, and prevents issues before they impact users. Now, the 40 million token training dataset includes configuration patterns, troubleshooting scenarios, performance optimizations, and failure modes across decades of Cisco deployments. This gives the AI model an understanding of networking that no competitor can replicate quickly. Now, will competitors focus on general AI capabilities? Cisco has built domain specific intelligence. This specialization becomes crucial when AI agents need to make split second decisions about network routing, security policies, or performance optimization. So, that is truly a game changer. Now, let's look at some security innovations. The first one is Live Protect. This represents a paradigm shift from reactive to proactive security. Traditional vulnerability management follows a very predictable cycle: vulnerability disclosures, patch development, testing, deployment, etc. etc. Now, this process typically takes 45 days or more. Live Protect compresses this to minutes by deploying behavioral protections that prevent exploitation without requiring traditional patches. The second one, AI powered threat detection. The integration with Cisco's deep network model enables threat detection that understands normal network behavior patterns at an unprecedented level. This isn't signature based detection, it's behavioral analysis that can identify anomalies that indicate threats, even previously unknown ones. Now, what's the business impact? Consider this. A critical vulnerability typically leaves organizations exposed for weeks while patches are developed and tested. Live Protect eliminates this exposure window, effectively providing zero-day protection for known vulnerability classes. The technology works by creating protective overlays that intercept and analyze traffic patterns associated with vulnerability exploitation attempts. These overlays are generated automatically by AI models that understand both the vulnerability mechanics and the network environment. Now, let's understand some of the strategic partnerships. The NVIDIA partnership goes beyond typical technology integration. Cisco has become the first non NVIDIA company to integrate NVIDIA NICs into the switches, and this represents a new level of partnership depth. This integration enables GPU optimized networking that's essential for AI workloads, particularly large language training and inferences. Now, the AI infra partnership with BlackRock, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and XAI represent unprecedented collaboration. The $30 billion initial investments with the potential scale to $100 billion indicates the partners' confidence in AI infrastructure demand. More importantly, it positions Cisco as the networking foundation for some of the world's most advanced AI initiatives. Now, these partnerships validate Cisco's AI infrastructure strategy and provide access to the most demanding AI workloads. When companies like Microsoft and XAI choose Cisco infrastructure for their AI projects, it demonstrates real world validation of Cisco's AI ready networking approach. The partnership structure also signals market consolidation around a few key AI infrastructure players. Cisco's inclusion in this group positions them as an essential partner for enterprise AI transformation. Now let's look at AI-ready network devices. Now AI workloads places unprecedented demands on network infrastructure. Traditional network designs optimized for human-generated traffic patterns break down when faced with AI's bandwidth intensity and latency sensitivity. AI training jobs can saturate network links for hours, while inference workloads require microsecond response times. Cisco's AI-ready devices incorporate several key technologies: adaptive bandwidth allocation that prioritizes AI traffic dynamically, ultra low latency switching fabrics optimized for GPU to GPU communication, and intelligent traffic management that understands AI workflow patterns. The real innovation lies in edge to cloud AI orchestration. Cisco's devices can dynamically decide whether AI processing should happen at the edge, in a local data center, or in the cloud based on real time analysis of latency, bandwidth, privacy requirements, and cost factors. While competitors offer high performance networking, Cisco's AI ready devices include the intelligence layer that makes performance optimization automatic rather than manual. This intelligence comes from the deep network model we talked about earlier. Now, what does it mean from a future implications standpoint for Cisco? Cisco's AI infrastructure announcements position them as the first mover in the AI ready networking. This timing advantage is crucial because enterprises are just beginning their AI infrastructure upgrades. Being first to market with mature, tested software solutions provides significant competitive leverage. Let's look at the financial impact. The Q3 revenue of $14.1 billion, dollars, up 11% with networking, growing 8% year on year, demonstrates strong underlying business momentum. The fact that AI orders exceeded their 1 billion target indicates robust market demand for AI infrastructure solutions. Cisco is also evolving from a hardware centric networking company to an AI enabled infrastructure platform. The unified management approach across all network domains creates opportunities for increased customer lock in and tighter value service offerings. From a long term vision standpoint, the strategic implications extend beyond current product announcements. Cisco is positioning itself as the essential infrastructure partner for any organization's AI transformation, creating a potential moat that will be difficult for competitors to breach. What does it mean for customers? The statistic that 97% of enterprises need network upgrades for AI is not just a market opportunity, it's a business crisis. Organizations are investing heavily in AI capabilities while their network infrastructure becomes the bottleneck that prevents AI success. This creates urgent demand for Cisco's solutions. The 160 billion in potential global losses from network outages put the infrastructure challenge in stark financial terms. As organizations become more AI dependent, network reliability becomes directly tied to business continuity. This risk quantification helps justify infrastructure investments. Now, the market is already diving or dividing into AI adept organizations and those struggling with AI adoption. Network infrastructure often determine which category an organization falls into. Cisco solutions help customers move from the struggling category to the AI adept category. Now, Cisco's approach addresses three critical customer needs: immediate AI enablement through infrastructure upgrades, ongoing optimization through AI driven management, and future proofing through scalable, intelligent networking platforms. Cisco's 40 plus years of networking expertise encoded in AI represents an insurmountable competitive advantage. Competitors can build AI models, but they cannot replicate 4 decades of networking knowledge and experience. This historical data becomes the foundation for AI capabilities that competitors cannot quickly match. The end to end infrastructure portfolio allows Cisco to offer integrated solutions rather than point products. While competitors may excel in specific areas, Cisco can provide comprehensive AI infrastructure that works seamlessly across data center, campus, edge, and cloud environments. Strategic partnerships with NVIDIA, Microsoft, and other AI leaders validate Cisco's technology and provide access to cutting edge AI workloads. These partnerships also create barriers for competitors who cannot offer the same level of AI ecosystem integration. Cisco is transitioning from a networking vendor to an AI enablement platform. This positioning change allows them to participate in the AI transformation budget rather than just the networking budget, significantly expanding their addressable market. Now let's look at the implementation roadmap. The unified Nexus dashboard, launched in July 2025, represents the first major milestone in Cisco's AI infrastructure rollout. This platform will immediately provide customers with unified visibility and control across the data center networks, setting the foundation for AI driven operations. Life Protect's September availability addresses the most urgent customer need: security in an AI accelerated threat landscape. The timing allows customers to deploy proactive security measures before a major AI workload deployments in Q4 2025. The AI Canvas expansion across enterprise domains in Q4 2025 completes the initial AI infrastructure suite. This timing aligns with typical enterprise budget cycles and allows customers to plan comprehensive AI infra upgrades for 2026. The phased rollout approach allows customers to adopt AI infra incrementally while providing immediate value at each stage. This reduces implementation risk and allows organizations to build confidence with Cisco's AI solutions progressively. Now, to summarize, Cisco Live 2025 marked that moment when networking infrastructure and AI truly converged. The announcements we have reviewed today are not just product updates, they represent a fundamental reimagining of how enterprise IT infrastructure operates in an AI first world. The Agentic Ops vision, powered by Cisco's deep network model and delivered through unified management platforms, positions Cisco as the essential partner for any organization's AI transformation. The customer urgency we have discussed creates a compelling market opportunity that requires immediate action. So, if you are a viewer, what's your call to action? Your immediate focus should be engaging customers on AI readiness assessments. The 97% readiness gap represents both a challenge and an opportunity. Organizations that act quickly to upgrade the network infrastructure will gain significant competitive advantages, while those that delay risk are left behind. To close, the agentic era isn't coming, it's here. Cisco Live 2025 showed us the roadmap to navigate this transformation successfully. Our job now is to help customers and partners realize this vision through intelligent AI ready network infrastructure. With that, we come toward the end of the show. Thank you so much for watching our news about Cisco Live. Do like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching the AI with Arun show.